One night, the impossible became real. The sky opened, and one man traveled farther than any human ever could. The angel Jibril visited the Prophet Muhammad and brought a special animal called al-Burak. The animal was bright, white, and extremely fast. Muhammad rode al-Burak with Jibril until they reached Jerusalem. In the mosque, Muhammad prayed. Someone offered him 2 cups, one with wine and one with milk. He chose the milk, and Jibril said, "You have chosen the natural way." Bukhari 3887, Muslim 162. From there, Prophet Muhammad began his journey to the heavens. When he reached the first heaven, the angels asked who had arrived. They gave permission, and Prophet Muhammad met Adam, who welcomed him with peace. Bukhari 349, Muslim 164. In the second heaven, Prophet Muhammad met Jesus, Isa, and John, Yahya. In the third heaven, he met Joseph, who had great beauty. In the fourth heaven, he met Idris. In the fifth heaven, he met Aaron. In the sixth heaven, he met Moses, who cried out of love for the followers of Prophet Muhammad. In the seventh heaven, he met Abraham standing beside Al-Bayt al-Mamur, a heavenly house visited daily by 70,000 angels who never return. Bukhari 349, Muslim 164. After this, Prophet Muhammad was taken to Sidrat al-Muntaha, the lote tree at the farthest boundary. Its leaves were enormous, and its colors were beyond human understanding. Prophet Muhammad was shown paradise and hellfire. Bukhari 3207. At that place, Allah commanded 50 daily prayers for the Muslim nation. When Prophet Muhammad descended, he met Moses, who advised him to ask for a reduction, because the people would not be able to manage 50 prayers. Prophet Muhammad returned again and again until Allah said, "They are 5 prayers, but equal to 50 in reward." Bukhari 349, Muslim 162. Finally, Prophet Muhammad returned to Jerusalem and then rode al-Burak back to Makkah. He completed the entire journey in a single night. Bukhari 3887.